Welcome back to another edition of Fly Tying for Beginners. Today we're going to tie a brown and cream dog knobbler. The hook I have in the vise is a Hemingway's. This is a barbless Nymph hook, and this is a size 8. And you can get that from frostyfly.com. I'm going to start out, I'm going to put weight on there, and I'm going to use 25 thousandths lead wire. You can use LeadFree wire. I'm going to start this weight just in front of that point. Put about a dozen wraps on there. And we're going to break that off. And we'll break off that back section. Thread I'm going to use is 70 denier brown. Going to start that thread behind the eye, and we're going to bring that thread back. We're going to come back about 2 eye lengths from the eye of the hook. Then we're going to put on some Beadchain eyes. And for this size fly, I have black Beadchain eyes, and these are large. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in one direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 the opposite direction. Then you can take your thread and go under the beads and over the shank of the hook, and that will help to tighten that up. Do that another 5 times, and then repeat. You can do that 2 or 3 times to get those eyes pretty tight on there. And when you're satisfied with that, you could go ahead and get some head cement or a drop of super glue. Put that right on that thread right between those eyes. Put it on the bottom side. You probably have be good there. Push that weight up to the eyes. On this fly, you want all the weight in the front. You want that so it'll go keep hopping and that nose keeps diving. We're going to secure the lead wraps. Put several wraps in back just to help get those lead wraps secured so they don't slide on you. And we're going to stop just about where it's going to hit the bend. For the tail, we're going to use brown Marabou. This dog knobbler is very much like a woolly bugger. And we're going to take this, I'm going to take about 1.5 inches to 2 inches of that. Pull it off. Move any loose ones there. I like the tail to be about 1 to 1.5 the length of the hook shank. I'm going to tie that in place. Put some tight wraps there because it will roll on you when you go to wind the chenille. I'm going to actually wrap this up a little bit, but I'm going to take off that, cut that, right behind the eye. We can go ahead and wrap that. Doesn't matter if that Marabou wraps around. Kind of give you a little bit of a taper there, but with this chenille, it's not even going to be noticeable. Now I'm going to take a cream chenille, going to take the end of it, and I'm going to pluck the end of it to get to the thread at the end. We're going to tie that in by that thread. Wrap that a little bit tight there. There we go. We're going to bring our thread up in front of the eyes. Now we can take our chenille. If your Marabou gets in the way a little bit, just lick your fingers and take control of it. And we're going to wrap this. Very easy fly. Like I said, it's very much like the woolly bugger. I'm going to bring that up through the eyes, give it one wrap, and then we're going to secure that. Go ahead and trim that off close. And then pick any fluff, loose stuff away so you don't block the eye up there. Make yourself a nice head. Just trying to dry that tail out there. Go ahead and give that a whip finish. Trim that, put a little bit of head cement on there. And this is the way it's going to ride in the water with the hook point up. And with all of that weight in the front, if you let it settle, the hook point will be up and everything will be standing mostly up. And here we have a brown and cream dog knobbler. Hope that you learned something from this video. Hope you would subscribe to my channel. Please refer me to your friends. Please visit my sponsors. Leave comments, questions, suggestions, and most of all, I thank you very much for watching my videos.